For this assignment, you'll be portioning your clay without the use of a scale. Portioning just means dividing into parts. You will be portioning your 5-pound piece of clay into 5 equal pieces. Each portion will be used for a different project this semester. The materials that you will need for this assignment are 5 pounds of clay, your ruler, the wire cutter, your wood board, or if you need more work area, you may use a piece of cardboard in place of the smaller board. Step 1. Measure and resize your 5-pound piece of clay. For my demonstration, I will be using a piece of cardboard as my work surface. The cardboard will keep the clay from sticking to my tabletop. You will be using a ruler to measure out your equal portions. Using the ruler provided in your clay kit, make sure to identify where the 0-inch mark and the 5-inch mark is located. You will be shaping your clay into a 5-inch long form. As you can see in this video tutorial, my piece of clay is longer than 5 inches. Therefore, I will have to shorten my piece of clay. Change the length of your clay by tapping the sides against your work surface. If you need your form to be shorter, focus your tapping on the shorter ends of your form. If you need your form to be longer, focus your tapping on the longer edges of your form. Check your progress frequently. Measure and remeasure, and continue to tap your clay against your work surface until you have a form that is 5 inches long. Once your form is 5 inches long, you are ready to move on to the next step. Step 2. Measuring 1-inch sections. You will be dividing your clay into 5 equal sections. In order to do this, you will need to measure 1-inch sections. Therefore, you will need to identify the 1-inch increments on your ruler. Make sure you are starting with the 0 on one edge of your clay and 5 on the other edge. Use a pencil to make a mark at each 1-inch increment. You should have 5 equal sections marked when you are done. Once you have divided your clay into 5 equal sections using your pencil, you are ready to move on to the next step. Step 3. Separate each section. For this step, you will need to hold your wire cutter tightly between your hands. Lining up the wire with your pencil marks, push straight down, not at an angle towards you, not at an angle away from you, but straight down towards your board. If you have performed the steps correctly, you should have 5 equal pieces of clay that are each approximately 1 pound. Step 4. Document your work. Set up your work like the teacher's example here. Write your name, block, and date on a piece of paper to display with your work. Take a picture and upload it to the team's assignment. See the rubric for how you will be graded. Step 5. Store your clay. After you have taken a picture, make sure to spray your clay with water. Then wrap your clay in an airtight bag. Make sure that there is no air inside the bag. Secure the bag closed with a ribbon or a twist tie. Don't forget, if you have questions or need a step clarified, please ask Ms. Hanish. Once you have your clay portioned into 5 equal pieces, you will be ready to begin working on different projects assigned throughout the year. Get to claying!